Hi everyone, Sarah here again today, and I am playing with the Dream Big kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. This is my third layout with this kit so far, and I'm really trying to use these gray, the backgrounds here. I used it on the last layout, and I loved the way it turned out. I think I picked the wrong colors, or maybe it was just I fractured my ankle in the middle of making this. Not sure what really did it, but you'll see, like, there'll be a change in the video, like a fade in or something. But I had actually fractured my ankle while making this video because I stood up to do something and stepped down. And I would suggest never putting your Sizzix on the floor, because I stepped down and I stepped on my Sizzix and my ankle went sideways, and that was that. That's my fault, 100%. But I'm just saying. No, I really do love this kit, and I thought it was kind of fun to play with the gray paper. It's different. It's sorry, kind of sound like Tinkerbell there, don't I? It's different. I'm so used to doing colors that, I don't know, I guess more white or more colorful, because taking pictures of them looks a little different. But the gray went so well with this rainbow paper, and I thought that I would use it. And of course, I'm going to add some stitching to this. I've just been attempting to pull my sewing machine out a little more and use it on my layouts. So I went ahead and added some stitching to the rainbow paper and the blue paper. And then I went ahead and sat it here on the top of my layout. I'm going to go through, I am popping my photo up. And this is just a photo of me and my daughters on one of our walks. We were playing games with our shadows. And so I decided to take a picture of all of us next to each other with our shadow, and it went from oldest to youngest. And it was like little stairs. And it was just something for us to remember while we were out. I journal on the back of this about, the games we were playing with our shadows and stuff like that. People driving by had to have thought we were insane, but it's okay. We had a blast. I did a bunch of fussy cutting of the flowers from that blue paper. I love those flowers. They're so cute. And this is one of the tags from the mixed media add-on. And I grab the little circle piece up there, and I'm going to grab this is the paint that you get in the mixed media add-on, and I'm going to use the blue color, and I am just going to paint it and set it off to the side so that later I can add that back to it. Just that way it has a little bit of color, and then I'm going to go ahead and tape this down so that it's stuck to my layout, and I can continue and actually get some of my embellishments actually stuck down. So I'm going ahead and doing that. I'll adhere that down here in just 1 second. And I have some of my embellishments stuck to the layout as it is. I'm trying to think of where the cut was in the video where I actually had hurt my ankle and then came back. I'm going ahead and adhering the rest of these down because I don't even think the sticker was the only thing holding that down. That rainbow sticker from the sticker sheet that we got, the foam stickers we got in the kit this month. So I'm sitting here and I'm just kind of adding them on top and sliding them under, finding things that'll cover up the pieces that are partially cut off. And I cut off the end there so that I could have that tag sitting there like that. Because honestly, okay, so I already stopped where I had hurt myself. Because I came back and I glued my photo down without making sure I had an area for my tag to go under, because that's why my journaling is actually on the back of this one, because I was going to journal on that tag and stick it under my photo. But when I got back, I just sat down and I started gluing things and didn't pay attention. So again, another my bad. But I'm pulling bits and pieces out of the ephemera packs that we got. And I love those little puffy stickers too. They're so cute. But I pulled that blue piece out you saw a second ago, a green piece that's striped as well. I'm going to cut a couple pieces off of one of the cut apart sheets on the back of one of the papers from the kit. I just wanted some of these other colors in here. So I went ahead and grabbed that tealy, it's like a bluey green color. And I added one of those. I'm cutting out a yellow polka dot one for the other side underneath the rainbow title. You are a rainbow. And then there's the green piece going underneath as well. I'm just trying to get them all stacked in there how I like and figure out what I'm going to do. I thought I was going to cut another piece off and add it, but I decided against it. I'm sitting here. I went through and cut out a rainbow from one of those pieces of paper, the backside of one of the cut apart sheets. And I'm going to go ahead and add that over right on there. But I will go in and I will grab some more stickers from this foam sticker sheet that we got. And that one says love you. This other one says this moment. Right there. That one says this moment. Couldn't quite decide where I wanted it at first, but I'm going to go ahead and start adhering these other colorful ones down so that they stay where I want them to. And I'm going to push them out of the way. I'm going to fix my tag and get it stuck under there as well. And then I'm going to try to decide what else I want to do here. I am realizing that I left some things that were not glued down. So I went ahead and glued those when I realized that. I grabbed a couple of the puffy stickers, the little hearts, and a couple little flowers and added them to the layout. I'm going to go ahead and grab this. It says grateful. I wanted a little more of that dark blue down towards the bottom. So I went ahead and added that. This is where I'm adding the flowers from that puffy sticker sheet. And that almost finishes this layout for me. I'm going to look around and see if I can find a few more things. I'm going to add some black splatters. And that does finish this layout. I don't put the little piece on the top of my tag in the video. But I do, you see it in the final photos. I add my little bit of glue there and that finishes this layout for me. I really hope that you like this. I'm sorry for the, messed up forgetting of things within the video, but make sure to like and subscribe and check out mercytiarakits.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.